Hello, it's Owen here at Tonic HQ, and we've got some more special weekend bundles for you. This weekend it's Designer's Choice launch, so we've got some bundles that coordinate with that, but also they're great on their own. So let's find out what bundles we've got available. First up, we have got a glitter card bundle. You got 4 different shades in 4 different packs, and that's available for you at 60% off. Next up, we've got a Craft Perfect Classic card bundle, and this is 70 sheets in total, so you've got 7 packs there in beautiful pastel shades. And that's available for you in the store at a big saving. We've got a Nouveau Glimmer Paste bundle, and this is that texture that you get with Glimmer Paste. Beautiful to spread on your projects and create detail. And that's available for you on the store at 70% off. We've got a Nouveau drop bundle for you. In total, you get 7 drops in the Peaches and Cream color selection, and that's available for you at 40% off. We've got an ink pad bundle for you, and there's 2 packs in this bundle when you get 3 ink pads in each in wonderful shades, and that's available for you at 40% off. And finally, we have a pearlescent card bundle. You get 5 packs in total in some really pretty colors, and that's available for you at 30% off. And that's it. Those are your bundles for this weekend. So get on the stores in the UK, in the US, or wherever you are in the world, and pick up a bargain on some wonderful Craft Perfect and Nouveau products.